equity markets. The Nifty opened flat, and thereafter the selling pressure from the second half of the last trading session on that was on Friday continued even today, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note, down 70 points. This is the lowest closing for the year 2015. The market value was negative today with 366 advances to 1,109 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Sun Pharma, Tata Motors, HUL closed the day on a negative note, while Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, Ultratech Cement, TCS and Tata Power managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative for the 6th trading session. In the last trading session, that was on Friday, the Nifty saw a minor pullback. However, that was sold into in the second half of the trading session. In today's trading session, the Nifty opened flat, and thereafter it continued to drift lower throughout the day. It ended the day on a negative note, and our sense is that the selling pressure can continue in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to maintain our negative stance. When we joined the previous two swing lows that were formed in the early December this year and in late May, or sorry, in early May this year, then we get and we extend that line, then we get a crucial support around the 8,000 mark. So our sense is that the Nifty chart has the 8,000 mark where we have a short-term target placed. So our sense is that the selling pressure can continue, and around that 8,010-8,000 mark we can see some amount of support coming in for the Nifty. On the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty continue to drift lower. There is positive divergence, however, that requires to be confirmed with a daily positive close. And on the daily charts, we can observe that it is not very close to any kind of a crucial support. So our sense is that the selling pressure should continue on the downside. On the Nifty, 8,000 and below that 7961 are crucial supports. 8104 and 8167, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, shall act as crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also closed the day on a negative note. It continued, the selling pressure continued in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was somehow even weaker than that as compared to Nifty, because Bank Nifty wasn't able to take off its previous trading session swings high on Friday, whereas the Nifty was able to surpass. So in that sense, Bank Nifty was weaker as compared to Nifty, and in today's trading session the selling pressure continued. We expect the selling pressure in Bank Nifty to continue as well in the coming trading sessions. 17,240 and 17,000 are crucial supports. 17,580 and 17,780 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today was the 6th consecutive daily negative close for the Nifty, which is quite a rally from the highs of 8468. So the selling pressure is just not stopping on a daily basis. So and the Nifty is not around crucial supports. 8,000 is the level around which the Nifty can find some support. So our sense is that the selling pressure should continue in the coming trading sessions. That's all for the day. Thank you.